How to make money online with PayPal. Hi, I'm Grace, and for today's video, I will show you how to make money online with PayPal. Before we get started, if you're new to our channel, please make sure to hit like and subscribe to be updated for our new releases. And without further ado, let's get into it. Step 1. Go to your browser. Type earnably.com on the address box on top of the browser. Once in the site, simply log in with your Google account. Step 2. Earn points. Looking at the offers, you will see all the videos that are available to watch and how much points watching them will give you. Choose any which one of those videos, click the menu on the upper right corner, and hit Redeem. Select PayPal to redeem your money. And that's it! That is how you make money online with PayPal. We hope this video is helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. If you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover, please make sure to leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching!